In this video, I just want to quickly show you how you use your FTP software so that you're ready, and it's very simple when you come to actually setting up and transferring files. It's really easy to do. If you go into Wikipedia, it tells you all about different network protocols and client servers and really can confuse you, and you really don't need to be worried about any of it. It's really simple. If you've downloaded our suggested tool, which was FileZilla, and you're ready to go, it's been set up. All you do is you double click to launch it, and it's going to open up a browser that looks something like this. Now all you need to do in here is when you got your hosting account, you've got some information that would have been something along the lines of what we've got written down here. Let me just bring this across. So you'll have your domain name that you purchased, and all you do is you highlight it, right click and copy. You don't want www or anything like that. Where it says host, you just place your cursor and you paste. You take your domain name, the username of the domain name that you were given with your account, and you place that in the one that says username. And then you take your password that you were given, you copy, and you paste that into password. Now, on most hosting accounts, you will not need to use a port. It's a default one normally of 21, which tends to be used. If you have a certain hosting provider that requires secure access, etc., then there might be different details. At that point, I'd say refer to your hosting provider and ask them to give you documentation on how to correctly access using FileZilla, and they should be able to provide that for you. But in most cases, over 90% of cases, you'll follow this and you'll hit Quick Connect, and next thing you'll see, here it says Remote Site. This is our computer where it says Local Site. Your files are here. When you connect, your website will appear here. So I'm going to go ahead and connect. FileZilla will go ahead and do its stuff, and then you'll see that there's a little folder now next to the remote site, and it's showing you what's contained inside that folder. If you want to see what's in the folders, you can also expand it down and then just scroll down. If you then highlight public_HTML, then anything that's already uploaded to your site, if there is, will appear here. If nothing is here yet, it might just be blank, or it might be just like a holding page saying site coming soon, etc. So in my case, because I don't have anything uploaded yet, I've got a few folders and some files and a post. All this stuff means nothing has actually been uploaded by me as yet. And to show you that, if I go to the site, there's just a message that says forbidden, you don't have permission to access on this server. So if I wanted to, I could put a holding page up here. And the way you do that, very simple, is we can either take it, it's off screen here, but if I click on the file on my desktop and then actually held down the mouse and dragged up, you'll see a plus sign showing up here. I could just directly upload it to the web. Or I can browse to find it. So in this case, using my desktop, it's called index.html. I left click and I drag it over, and I can either let go here or up here on the folder. It's entirely up to you. You let go and it's going to upload. Once it's uploaded, you just refresh the page, and I've got it now as a server holding page. Now if someone was to click this link here, it's actually a mail to address, which means it will open up their email client and they'll be able to email me. Oh, here they can go to my support desk. Now I've actually included this file for you in your resources pack, so if you want to, if you've got a site that looks a bit ugly like this, just says not found and doesn't have a nice holding page, you can put this in. You can make this pretty and put some color in the background, change the links to be your email and your support desk, and you can use this then on your sites. But in essence, what you've done here now is you've learned how to open up and use your FileZilla application for transferring files from your desktop up to your website. Thanks for watching.